Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will introduce one of the girl cadet that will be the future mariner. Her name is Kashish Kamsin. She will be talking about the future of maritime industry, robotics, and all the latest technology that will be going to use in shipping industry. How about that the artificial intelligence, the autonomous ships, how the ship will run without the involvement of human beings. All these the latest technology and the artificial intelligence that will run on the port. All the latest technology we will be talking in this video. So let's watch her video. What she talk about the.
Good evening, this is Kashish and this is the short videos on the new technologies that are upcoming in the shipping industries and the adaptation of the new technologies. We all know that the other industries gradually shifting from old methods of paperwork to digitalized version, whether it is an automobile industry, healthcare sector, IT industry, manufacturing industry. They all are adapting new scientific upcoming endeavors. For example, robotics, IoT, Internet of Things, blockchain, artificial intelligence. But the shipping industry is such industry where there is a change, but the change is in a very slow pace. And for adapting new scientific technology, it requires a lot of money, a lot of implementation work. But still, many of the companies are adapting. For example, the IBM and Maersk are adapting the models of the artificial intelligence in their logistics. The blockchain is adapted by emptying container relocation. So such are the industry that are adapted by, such are the technologies that are adapted by some of the industries. What exactly is artificial intelligence? It is one of the three technologies that I'm gonna discuss with you. AI is the science of making machines smarter by feeding them with algorithms in order to solve complex problems. And with the introduction of AI, it is very easier to implant human intelligence into machine, but it lacks the natural intelligence. For example, the emotions and the cognitive thinking, the consciousness. So AI is very much cut off from that area. Machine learning, deep learning is the subset of AI, and the three of them are the subset of the AI, and it is a technology, you can say that IT oriented technology that is run by some of the programming languages like Python. Many of the IT or data scientists are known to work on the big models of predicting the new technology or the data set. For example, the COVID-19 prediction of graph is one such example of the artificial intelligence models. Scientists and healthcare sector are like hugely dependent upon machine learning for predicting the models. That is very much helpful for them. AI in shipping can be used to solve complex problems like cargo operation, voyage planning, and it can solve human error problems also. But we all know that the adaptation of the artificial intelligence in shipping industry is a very complex procedure. It will require a lot of planning, lot of money, but still it is a theoretical part. It is still be used by some of the companies, but you can say that it can be adopted by the shipping industry in a matter of 20 to 30 years. But as I said, the AI has its own pros and cons. For example, like AI can be used in port terminal operation, as we all know that container handling operation are the core business for the container terminal, and it required interface processes. Some of the processes in the ports are fragmented, complex, and lacks connectivity. Port operation in container terminals combine human to heavy machineries interaction. For example, you can see that there is a heavy machinery interaction of various weight, dimensions, and the speed of the loads moved are considerably very high. We need to adopt safety measures in the port operation, like laying geofences around the port equipment. That can be done with artificial intelligence and the various models that is included in it. For container handling, artificial intelligence is used for getting real-time information exchange among different container handling equipment. This technology will provide full connectivity with possible real-time data analytics of the source and the destination of a particular container. But we need to solve complex problem for the implementation of the artificial intelligence in the port terminal operation. As I have earlier said also, that implementation of the AI in the port terminals or any other arena of the shipping industry is very much difficult. the implementation plus quality is very much difficult. For example, implementation of artificial intelligence in the port operation, some of the various parameters are that the quality of data, we need to have a very good quality of data, and we need to have a very good supply chain, that we need to have implement powerful algorithm for incorporating supply chain to the quality of data. Availability of data and pattern recognition software is also one of the problem. Automated equipment and centrally control on the vehicle system up to the gradation through artificial intelligence, they need to be developed also simultaneously. A company named Stena has been working for implementation of the artificial intelligence in the fuel consumption. For example, the companies are been collaborating with a company's firm known as Hitachi, and on this project it has been able to predict the most economical route in terms of consumption of the fuel. They can optimize the passage where the ship are going from point A to point B, and it will take all accounts, for example the weather, the currents and other factors combinedly. And it is a very much theoretical what you can say, that project that is being adopted by AI in the field of fuel consumption. AI in image recognition system, for example, Japanese shipping industry like Mitsui OSK and the Chinese tech companies, for example, SenseTime, has been collaborating to make image recognition system using artificial intelligence. It will, what you can say, that it will decrease the risk of collision and the safe navigation, although it is also a theoretical, or you can say that it is one of the basic futuristic endeavors that the companies are making away. And the system is already being tested, I think. For example, on passenger line, it is image recognition system is already tested. In cruise line also, artificial intelligence is used in CCTV cameras for sensing, and the image recognition system of a passenger is also being implemented in shipping industries or the cruise line. So that's all that we have on future endeavors of AI. Apart from that, we are having Rolls-Royce leading the leading the way in developing the crewless ship. That is, but although it is a very expensive business, it is a very costly business. For example, the autonomous ship that has created a chaos in the industry. That is able to solve complex problem with AI, and it will incorporate this technology in automation technology